Hey, hello everyone. I'm Amrita this side, and today we are going to create another game in Python. And this game is all about coin. Don't worry, this is not about that Bitcoin we are creating here, like a virtual coin. Actually, our computer will generate random head and tails, and we have to guess that it is head or tail. Okay, so hope so you understand, right? All right. So first of all, we will import random module here. Okay, and after that, of course, we will define a function here. Let's name it as a coin toss game. This is our function, and we will encapsulate all the steps and logic of the game inside the function. Okay, before that, I want to print something here. Of course, a welcome message. Okay, so let me write welcome message, that welcome to the toss game. Please follow the ins- instructions. Okay, and I will write another instructions here. I want to show that what they have to write as an input. Okay, so guess if it is like head uh, or tail. Okay, so it is choice that user have to guess that it is head or tail. Okay, so this is instructions. Okay, all right, so second thing, we have to store the result, and for that purpose we have to create a variable, and I will name it as toss result to understand. Okay, all right, so what will happen here? Wait a minute, let me write first and I will explain. Okay, so random choice. See, random is what? It is a module, right? And choice, it is a method of this module. Okay, and here I will pass a list. Okay, list of choice, head and tail. So this is two choice here. Okay, so our computer will choose head or tail. Okay, so they will choose this one, and the value whatever computer will choose, it will store in this variable. Got it? Good. And second variable I will create here for user input. Okay, and let me write here as user guess. So whatever user will guess, it will store here. Okay, and it will of course input, right? And please enter, please enter what? Head. Okay, wait a minute. Or right, so you user have to enter head or tail, right? Clear? Good. And that will store in this variable, right? Cool. Now on this basis we will apply the condition. Simple, right? Okay, and the logic starts from here. So if, let's suppose that user guess. Okay, if user guess, like if it is not head or tail. Okay, so I am applying this condition first here. If user guess not in head, tail, if they didn't type head or tail, then what will happen? There will be a message that invalid input, please enter head or tail. Simple. Okay, very good. And of course return. All right, cool. And if user, like if user guess is equal to toss result, if it is like they are same, then what will happen? Toss result, then of course they will print a message that congratulations. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me use f string here, so I will print the exact result whatever they have chosen. Okay, so f string congratulations, you have won the game. The computer chose, and it is lost result. Okay, cool. And if it is not like, then then else, and print, and I will again use your f string to print the exact result. Okay, so let me write, oops, you have chosen wrong, it was this one. Clear? Very good. Okay, so let me do one thing here, that if user want to play again, okay, for that purpose, let's create another variable. Okay, so play again, this is our variable, and I will take input from user here. Okay, so let me ask from the user, do you want to play again? Please type yes. Please type like yes or no, whatever. Okay, and convert them in lower format to avoid case sensitive. Okay, cool. And now again, if user select yes, okay, so I will write here, if play again, okay, so if play again is yes, right, then of course, or like our function will continue again. Okay, and else, then print, thank you so much for playing game. Have a nice day. Okay, cool. And now at last, of course, we have to call the function. Got it? Okay. So what we have done here, we have simply import the random module, and we have defined a function. Inside the function, we have printed a welcome message and instructions for the user that they have to write head or tail only. Okay, and after that we have stored whatever computer will choose, and user input we have taken, and further we have compared toss result, that is computer choice and user choice. Okay, we have compared here, and on that basis we have printed message. Clear? Very good. Okay, so now just save it and run it. Okay, so welcome to the toss game. Please follow the instructions. Guess if it is head or tail. Please enter head or tail. Okay, so let me enter head. Oops, you have chose wrong. You have chosen wrong hoga actually. Spelling mistake. It was tail. Okay, all right. So I do you want to play again? Please type yes or no. So yes, I want to play again. So again, let me type tell. Oops, you have chosen wrong. Okay, so yes, I want to play again, and this time I will write tell. Oops, again I want to play again, this time head. Congratulations. Okay, so congratulations, you have won the game. The computer chose head too. Now do you want to play again? Please type yes or no. Let me type in uh, capital format. Okay, what will happen? Thank you so much for playing game. Have a nice day. See, nothing happened. Why? Because I have used here that lower, here you can see lower format, okay, to convert the input from the user. Okay, so hope so you got this program. Please practice and let me know in the comment section if you like this or if you have any doubt. Okay, thank you so much.